Lisa Mason Ziegler, and this is your Friday invitation, folks. If you've never joined me for our live show, which is all about everything going on here on this farm and the stuff that we use to make it all happen. Like today, I will be potting up some tomato transplants, showing off some of my straw flowers, and Susie Q is going to be demonstrating some bouquet making strategies for using our flower arranging supplies. So if you've never joined it before, it's really a lot of fun. Y'all just think QVC, but with Lisa and her gardening and farming, tools, seeds, supplies, books, and so forth. That's what it's about. And we would love to have you join us because today, did you notice I'm in pink today, y'all? It's all about Valentine's today, or thinking about Valentine's. So join us, and to do that, the best place to connect with us is inside our phone app. It is free, and the experience is like 5 levels above watching it on social, meaning you can participate more, and that means you can enter the giveaway. I give away something every single week. Normally, I give away a $25 store credit, which is such a favorite of everybody. And also, you can actually participate in the comments amongst the live viewers, which is always a lively thing. You can watch replays inside the phone app. There's just a lot more. So it's free. You can either comment app here, or you can go to your phone's app store and just search Gardener's Workshop. And in fact, we have 2 apps in there. They're both free. One of them is called Shop. It's Gardener's Workshop, Shop, which is where you're going to find me 12 noon Eastern time inside on Fridays, live with my sis, doing about an hour-long program. I do a live Q&A at the end. We picked a couple of questions that y'all submit if you're in the app that we'll try to answer at the end. And it's just really going to be a lot of fun. And so I can't wait to show off. It's really too early for tomato transplants, y'all. You do know that, right? If you live, my last frost date's not till mid-April, but I have to have babies to show you guys to get you right on time. So come and check that out today. And I just can't tell you how I wished it was smell-o-vision because the smell of tomato transplants, it is just the best, y'all. Just the best. So join me 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. Go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, pick the Shop app and download it. It wouldn't take but a second, and it's free. And here's a little insider tip. If you download the Learn app, which is also free, there's a free course in there for you. It's the course on how to build a trellis tunnel. And you can, and if you also have, if you're a member of my community, which tonight my membership closes. If you already own my club and you're in it, that's going to show up on the Learn app. And then if you have any of my online courses, if you use the same email for all of them, they're all right there together. Y'all, we're just doing everything we can to give you all the tools, support, continuing education, the how-tos, and everything we do is for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Meet me 12 noon inside the app. All right, folks. Ciao.